Hello, it's Danielle Powell, and I just wanted to take a moment to wish you a happy Mother's Day. We have just finished putting the finishing touches on our monthly newsletter, and it will be out to you shortly. Check out our tribute to motherly advice. If you are receiving our newsletter for the first time, you will notice we give back to those who need help the most, like the kids at the Bangalore Children's Home. This year, we are on a mission to do even more. Our big goal this year is $10,000. We do this by donating a portion of our income from homes we sell to them. As you know, the Bangalore Children's Home, this ministry supports abandoned, needy children by giving them a safe place to live, 3 meals a day, clothing, and access to education. Who do you know considering buying or selling a home? You could refer to our real estate sales team. Not only will they benefit from our award-winning service, but the kids at the Bangalore Children's Home will benefit as well. Just give us a call or pass our number along to anyone you know considering buying or selling. Our number is 661-702-1940. Thank you in advance for your referrals and have an amazing May. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube.